Think your iPhone battery is real? Let's find out. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to check if your iPhone battery has been boosted or tampered with, because trust me, not all batteries are what they seem. Alright, first things first, open settings, scroll down and tap on battery. Pretty simple so far, right? Next, hit battery health and charging. This is the section where the truth comes out. Section 2, spotting a boosted battery. Now check this number right here, maximum capacity. If it shows more than 100%, that's your first warning sign. Apple batteries cannot go beyond 100% naturally. A boosted battery detected. This often happens when repair shops replace your battery but mess with system data to make it look better. Spoiler alert, it's not better. Section 3, performance check. Next, look at this part, peak performance capability. If it says normal peak performance, you're probably fine. But if it says something weird like battery health information unavailable, that's a huge red flag. Pro tip for deep check. Want to dig deeper? Download a free Mac app like Coconut Battery or iMazing to get detailed battery stats. These tools can reveal things Apple hides. And that's it. Now you can tell if your iPhone battery has been boosted or tampered with. If this helped, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.